Hi, this is Don again from The Reasonable Realtor. I invite you to check out the website, The Reasonable Realtor, whenever you get the opportunity. Subscribe to it if you would like to. Like it, share it on your social media. If you're on Twitter, then retweet it, subscribe to it, comment. I would love for you to be involved in any way. Today's post, the reason that I'm here introducing this post is it's for budget-friendly tips for busy parents who are trying to sell their house, whether they're selling their own house or their house is being sold by an agent in a traditional manner. It comes with a whole new set of circumstances. I think you're going to enjoy it. Chris Lewis made this guest submission, and it's different than the other ones that I wrote. So if no other reason, for that reason, I think you'll enjoy it a lot. You will see the link right down here in the copy that will get you straight to this post. If you want to subscribe to this video website, there will be a circle come up over here that you can click on, and we'll get you to that YouTube channel. Anyway, thanks for your time. I'll see you later.